Hello friends, welcome to the Cool Vedas, that's Vedas School. As Janamejaya Sarpa Yaga was burning hundreds and thousands of serpents, let's meanwhile take a look at the plight of Takshaka. Takshaka, trembling with fear, rushed to Indra's palace. He acknowledged his fault and asked Indra to save him. Indra could not refuse his friend. He said, "O Prince of Snakes, Takshaka, here you are safe from the Sarpa Yaga. I have even spoke to Brahmadeva on your behalf. So be at peace. You have nothing to fear here." Hearing this, Takshaka was greatly relieved. He then forgot all about the Sarpa Yaga and his relatives being burnt in the Yaga, and he began living happily in Indraloka. But Vasuki, the Serpent King, could not watch his family being burnt in the Sarpa Yaga. He became exceedingly worried and his heart was filled with great pain. He quickly called upon his beloved sister, Jaratkaru, and said, "My sister, I can feel my limbs burning. My body is becoming numb. I feel I might fall into the Yagagni soon. There is no point in me staying in Swargaloka when my family is being burnt away by the king. The time has come, my child. Astika will put an end to this Yaga. Call upon your son and ask him to do what needs to be done to safeguard our serpent race." Jaratkaru quickly went to Astika. She told him, "My son, the time has come for you to achieve the objective of your birth. It was for this that I was married off to your father by Vasuki. Please do what has to be done of you." Hearing his mother's words, Astika, the well learned and saintly boy, asked, "Tell me, mother, why did my uncle Vasuki marry you off to my father? Tell me everything truly. After hearing all that you say, I shall decide about what is proper to be done." Jaratkaru patiently told her son the whole story of how the serpents were cursed by their mother and also about Elapatra's words in the snake assembly and about how Vasuki, after the Samudra Mantana, had asked Brahma for help. To which Brahma had told Vasuki that only sinful serpents would die in the Sarpayaga, while the virtuous Sarpas would be saved by Astika, who would be born to Vasuki's sister Jaratkaru from her marriage to Rishi Jaratkaru. After narrating the whole incidents to Astika, she asked, "You are destined to help us, my son. Won't you save me and my brother from the Yagagni?" Hearing his mother's questions, the saintly Astika said, "Yes, I will, mother. I will save you and uncle." He then turned to Vasuki and, as if infusing hope into the grief stricken serpent king, he said, "O best of snakes, do not fear. I will save you from the terrible Yaga. Nobody has ever told that my words to have ever have become untrue. So be at peace. Your race will be saved." Vasuki, with trembling voice, said, "My child, my heart is reeling and my heart is breaking. I am not able to do anything as I am suffering from my mother's curse." Astika then pacified Vasuki, saying, "O king of serpents, you did not worry about the Yaga anymore. I will remove the fear from your heart. I will stop the Yaga and save my maternal relatives." The best of Brahmanas, Astika then started to the Yaga moving quickly, as he took upon himself the responsibility of saving Vasuki's already dwindling family from the Yagagni. But it was not for the Dwarapalakas to allow Astika to enter the Yagabhumi. Astika, the well-learned boy, was stopped at the gates of the Yagabhumi. Now, can Astika save his relatives? What can a little boy do against a mighty king like Janamejaya? Let's find out. Please like, share and subscribe our channel for more Mahabharata stories. Do not forget to press the bell icon. Thank you. Namaste.